ibig sabihin when you think on your feet? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Now, para maintindihan natin itong maigi, ano ba munang ibig sabihin when you're on your feet? Tanungin natin si Gloria Estefan. Now, when she sings Get on Your Feet, ang ibig sabihin nun tumayo ka. So, kung nag-iisip ka na you're on your feet, nag-iisip ka ng nakatayo. Ano bang benefit kapag nakatayo ka habang nag-iisip? Hindi ba mas madaling gumalaw? Mas madaling mag-pivot? Mas madaling magpalit ng direksyon? A person who is thinking on his feet is able to quickly adapt and react to different situations. So, kung gusto natin gamitin na sentence, we could say something like, good leaders think on their feet. They should always be prepared with what life can throw their way. Alright, that's today's idiom. We have an entire playlist of that. We have full video lessons on YouTube. And if you want more, don't forget to follow me for more.